Wish I could be the one who could give you love, the kind of love we really need. Wish I could say to you that I'll always stay with you. Baby, that's not me. You need someone willing to give their heart and soul to you. Promise you forever, but baby, that's something I can do. Oh, I could say that I'll be all you need, but that would be a lie. I know I'd only hurt you. No, I'd only make you cry. Diba okay naman kayo kanina? At parang biglang hindi. Hello, ex. I love you. Goodbye. Dito marami kang relate. Meron pa rin tinatawag-tawagan ng ex. Haba ng hair mo, kasing haba ng sa akin. I hope someday you can find somewhere to understand. I love you 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I love you 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm only doing this for you. I don't really wanna go deep in my eyes. This is the kindest thing to do. You'll find someone who'll be the one that I could never be. Who'll give you something better than the love you'll find with me. Oh, I can say that I'll be all you need, but that would be a crime. I know I'd only hurt you. I know I'd only make you cry. Hello, I love you. Needing someone when you love someone is the hardest thing to do. When you love someone as much as I love you. Ano daw? Ay, ang ganda ko. Talaga ba? Parang hindi nag-I love you goodbye. No, I don't wanna leave. Baby, it tears me up inside. Yes, Brad. I love you goodbye, Brad. Huwag mo naman binubuko, nag-Brad tayo. But I'll never Hello, Brad. I love you. Tama na, di ba? Konting line na lang, tapusin ko na. Isang line na lang, favorite line ko pa to. Pagbigyan nyo na, favorite line ko talaga to. Sabi niya. Oo, masakit na nga. Paano pa yung susunod? Mas masakit to. Wait lang kayo dyan.
Umiiyak na si Kuya.
Huwag ka na masakit. Hello, ex? I love you. Hello, are you still there? Cool.